Come test drive the 2016 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, wheel locks, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, rear bumper protector, PIO, remote power door locks, rear wiper, tachometer, leather seats, speed proportional power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.